Morning guys, this is Ken here, Bless the Farm. We're going to talk about today, we had a free-range turkey that we've raised since last year, and we just couldn't seem to bring us around to butcher him at Christmas or Thanksgiving. But he's made it with my hen, and he's given us over 16 pullets, and he started trying to mate with the small ones. So he broke one of their backs when he mounted her, and broke the legs of 3 others. So, you know, I hate to do that stuff here, but sometimes you have to do what you have to here on the farm for the better of others. You know, so we butchered him the other day, and we put him in the refrigerator, and we wrapped him in bacon, and we baked him for dinner last night. And I'll show you the photos of that here in a minute and see what y'all think. So there you go, guys. Had a friend help me. We skin that turkey out, or cap it. This way folks do when they're going to take it to a taxidermy. We went ahead and skinned this one out because I was kind of curious. That's the turkey that had gotten attacked by the dog, and underneath its breastplate, when we pulled back the skin, there was a real thick layer of fat, and it was probably from that injury that it healed. But it did really well. So then we took him inside, we wrapped him up in bacon, which I'll show you right here, right along with the video, and we cooked him for about 3.5 to 4 hours on slow. The breast meat was wonderful. The legs were a little bit tough. They are free-range turkey here, so they are, you know, up and around and running around. They were really good-sized legs. I was really impressed though. Overall, the meat came out really good. We had enough left over to make turkey salad sandwiches the next day or two. So it went well. We had the Yukon Gold potatoes with it that we grew, and green beans, and dinner rolls with it, and homemade gravy. So everything here for that meal was made here at the farm, or raised on the farm, and hope you all appreciated it. Give her a try. I mean, homemade food's better than, you know, store-bought food any day. But again, you know, that's the reason we had to put the animal down. There's always, you know, certain reasons on the farm. If you like it or not, you still have to do it. But I appreciate y'all here and watching. Hope y'all subscribe, hang around. Let me know your comments down below, and I'll come back later and give you something else if you want. You know, let me know how you feel about it, and what you think about it, what I could have done right, what I did wrong, and then we'll correct it next time and move on from there. So you can see us here, Instagram and Twitter. And guys, you live well, and of course and always, God bless y'all. See y'all soon.